Okay, I just made my initial call back to the airport. After flying around a little bit, we're kind of getting beat up with the bumps here, so not as much fun, so time to head back. Starting to get some big bug splats, even at 2,800 feet. Is the season.
Five Romeo Whiskey, contact departure 123.905.
5 Romeo Whiskey, over to departure. Thanks, good day.
Brainard Tower, Experimental 25 Alpha Golf, 8.5 south, landing Foxtrot.
25 Alpha Golf, enter left downwind, runway 20.
Left downwind for 20, 25 Alpha Golf.
Nine Delta for this round, make right traffic.
Delta will go.
Romeo Bravo, you may see traffic on the other side of the highway making right traffic.
Yeah, we got the traffic in sight, thanks.
Yeah. Two-5 Alpha Golf, you're following traffic ahead in 11 to 12 o'clock in about a mile.
Yeah, 25 Alpha Golf has the traffic in sight.
Very good, you're number 2 following him.
25 Alpha Golf. Tower 9 Delta's coming up on the right midfield downwind, runway 20, requesting the option.
And 99 Delta, I've got 2 on the opposite downwind to land ahead of you, so I'll just extend your down, I'll call you base.
Delta will go.
And 8 Romeo Bravo is on the downwind for 20.
8 Romeo Bravo, runway 20, clear to land.
Clear to land 20, 8 Romeo Bravo.
Alpha Golf, your number 2, following the experimental ahead of you. Number 2, runway 2, follow that, correction, number 2, runway 20. Follow that traffic, clear to land.
Number 2 for 20, follow the traffic, 25 Alpha Golf.
Be advised, there's some raptors or something over their Pratt Whitney facility right there.
The Eagles flying around?
Affirmative.
Nine Delta, start your base.
99 Delta, will come.
Hey, Romeo Bravo, if you're able, turn right at Charlie, stay with me, taxi T's.
Alright, right at Charlie to the T's with you.
Tower, Churchill 681 Alpha Tango, ready 20 hotel.
681 Alpha Tango, Brainard Tower, hold short for landing traffic.
Hold short, 1 Alpha.
Nine Delta, continue inbound, going to be 1 departure ahead of you, taking the runway now.
99 Delta.
1 Alpha Tango, runway 20, line up and wait, traffic on a 2-mile final.
Line up and wait 20, 681.
25 Alpha Golf, turn right at Charlie, taxi T's, stay with me.
Off on Charlie to the T's with you, 25 Alpha Golf.
Center Tower, it's go 113 Papa Fox, ready to go at runway 20, southbound departure.
One Alpha Tango, runway 20, clear for takeoff, proceed on course.
120 on course, 681 Alpha.
5299 Delta, runway 20, cleared option.
Clear option, runway 20, 99 Delta, we're going to be full stop.
Roger. 113 Papa Foxtrot, hold short, landing traffic.
Hold short, runway 20, 3 Papa Fox.